Hey, I am Ashwini Sahu. I welcome you to Legal Edge Indore. Today, I will take you on a virtual tour with me for Legal Edge Indore Center. Come with me. This is our help desk where you will be directed to the required wing or to the concerned person. This is our front office and these are the results of last year CLAT examination. Can you see yourself there? If yes, then Legal Edge is the key. This is our notice board. It contains all the important information related to academics such as your class schedule, DCS timing, the daily dose of your vocabulary, mock schedule and all the important updates with respect to your exams. This is Ashish Sir's cabin, who is the Center Director for Legal Edge Indore. Let's meet him.
Hello, my name is Ashish Nayak. I am the Center Director at Legal Edge Indore. Welcome to the Center Tour of Legal Edge Indore. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. हमारे यहाँ पर जितने भी बच्चे क्लैट एस्पिरेंट्स आते हैं, हम उनके सपनों के लिए एकजुट होकर उनके लिए खड़े होते हैं। हम चाहते हैं सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे हमारे यहाँ से, हमारे सेंटर से निकलें और एक नई पहुंच को अपनी पहचान दें। थैंक यू।
This is our counseling room. Our counselors are well aware of law entrance exams like CLAT, ALET, MSCT, SLAT and their details. They will also help you if you face any issue related to portal or its operation. This is the faculty room. All the faculty members of all the subjects will be available here to guide and provide you the solutions to your problem. So let's meet them.
Hi all, my name is Brenda and I'll help you not only clear the English section of the CLAT entrance test, but also ensure that your basic English concepts are reinforced. Come, join my classes and be a part of this wonderful prep journey.
Hello, I am Pankaj Ajite and I take care of current affairs and general knowledge.
Hi everyone. यदि आपको लगता है मैथ्स दैट इज क्वांटिटी टेक्निक से डेप्थ, तो आप आइए हमारे पास। हम देंगे आपको शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल वे में सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ईच प्रॉब्लम।
Hey, in the journey of law, are you ready to take the first class of legal with me? I'm Ashwini Sahu, legal faculty at Indore Legal Edge. Let's ace this CLAT examination together.
क्या एलआर सेक्शन में लगता है आपको एआर से डर? तो मैं हूं उसका समाधान। दिनेश वारुड़े, फैकल्टी ऑफ एआर, लीगल एज इंदौर।
I'm Amitabh Mishra and I'm man of reason, so I take care of critical reasoning for CLAT.
This is our hybrid classroom where all the offline classes takes place. Let's see who is about to take the offline class. बॉडी वो क्या करती है? लॉ को एनफोर्समेंट करने का काम करती है और वहीं पर जो जुडिशियरी बॉडीज होती है।
सर को कितने रुपए देना है पता? आपके पास कितने रुपए का कॉइन है? 5 रुपए दे देना सबको, ठीक है?
Here is our studio too, because we also offer online classes. Now let's have a look who is about to take the online class. The most important part for any examination is self-study, for which we have library cum lab. So let's see this. Apart from academics, Legal Edge also offers fun-filled activities such as get-togethers, LE Fiesta, cricket tournaments and many sports activities. And इतना ही नहीं, Legal Edge अकेला एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है जो रेगुलर PTM भी ऑफर करता है। So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit us at 3rd floor, Gravity Tower opposite to Agrawal Store, Janjeerwala Square, Indore.
लीगल है तो हो जाएगा।